Hi guys, welcome to our community Codecho. In this section we are going to see concatenate variables in Python. Let's see whether we can concatenate different data types like string and number together. For example, we will concatenate Codecho with the number 10. See, first I am trying to concatenate string to an integer. Now I am concatenating Codecho plus 10. I will run the program, then we will see whether it's working successfully or not. Remaining things I have kept in comment. See, it's saying that type error can see here. It's saying that type error can only concatenate string, not int to string. In the sense, it's saying that we can concatenate string to string. We cannot concatenate integer to string. Why? Codeco is string here and 10 is integer. See, I will write here. Here Codeco is a string, but 10 is integer. We cannot concatenate string to a integer value, but by using str here, we can concatenate. Why? Str is nothing but I am saying to the compiler that 12 is not integer. By using str, I am saying to the compiler that 12 is a string, not a integer. So now I will run this program. I will put this in comment and I will run. See, Codeco 12. It's concatenated successfully. Now I will do the same thing by putting an integer value in double quotes. Okay. See, I think this will work successfully. Oh, sorry, I have to close here. Yeah, okay, no problem. See, it's it's compiled successfully. Codeco 12. By what we had given in double quotes, the compiler will take it as only string. Here I had directly given value inside the print statement, right? So it had we are not supposed to give if you are given or not. It will run successfully. str if you are used str or not, it will work. Why? I had given the input, but if I take input from the user, then it will not work, right? So that's why we are using str. Okay. See, I am assigning a equal to Codeco, but b equal to I will take input integer. Okay, I will take input as an integer. So I will run this program. See, it's asking me to enter a integer value. So I'm entering 10. So now we will see it runs successfully. So now I will try to concatenate both. So I have to give a plus b, right? So now I will run. It's asking me to give, so 10. It's saying that type error can only concatenate string, not integer to string, as we had get in first print statement, right? Why? I had given integer in b. When I am giving an input, or when user giving an input, he given b equal to integer value. If I had given str here, str of b, then what we are going to get? Then it will work successfully, right? So I will run this program. I am going to give again 10. See, Codeco 10. It had run successfully. Why? I had used str in front of that. Whatever he had given integer value in b variable to b variable, it will come. The compiler will consider it as a string. Why I had given str here? That's the. In this way we can concatenate integers to strings and strings to integers. That's it for the section, guys. We will meet in another section.